The Applied Computer Science program is a great opportunity for students who want to explore the wide range that computing has to offer, but aren't quite sure where they want to be.
I chose the Grand Valley Graduate Program because I wanted to continue my education in the computing field and allow myself to learn more in the workplace.
Our program offers many areas of concentration where students can explore and find what fits their needs and their skills and interests for their jobs of the future.
I chose MS in Applied Computer Science program because as someone who has had industrial experience, I needed to take my skill to the next level. And after reading through the program, I realized that it's indeed for me. That's why I decided to come to pursue MS in Applied Computer Science at Grand Valley State University.
The Applied Computer Science program prepares students for a wide range of opportunities in data science, cybersecurity, software development, web, and mobile.